So hey everyone, uh, so as you got to know about the thumbnail, so recently I got interviewed in a startup company, and I found the question was very interesting. So I thought of bringing it in this video here. So I'll not take you much of time. Without further ado, let's get started. So here is the question. The question is you need to find the number of zeros and ones from the given array. And in the array we will have binary number. So binary, we know what is binary number. Binary number is 0 and 1 is binary number. So 1 is treated as truthy and 0 is treated as falsy number value. So you need to find the number of ones and zeros available in a given array. But here are some constraints to it. You are not supposed to compare the variable, the value in the array. You cannot use two variables to store the values, and you cannot use any inbuilt methods that we have to find the values. So these all are the things we are supposed to not to do all these stuff, and we need to get the output. So the output of this question will be the number of ones that we have is what? One, two, three. Three ones, three ones, and and two what? Zeros, right? So this should be the output of this question, right? I hope this is very interesting because of the constraint that I have given over here. So with the help of your observation and the logic, if you give some more, observation, and you read the question carefully, definitely you will be able to answer this question. You will be able to write the code. uh, but if you are not able to think of it, just give it a try. Just try to solve it by yourself. Just pause the video and try to find the solution, and also keep these three things into your mind while writing the code, right? Only that, only then, like, I can consider you like you have solved the question. And please come in comment box if you have solved the question. So if you are not able to solve the question, I'll help you out over here. So I'll just solve this question for you. So it's very easy question for all those who have done lots of practices in, like, we have code, HackerRank, and different platform where we do practices. So here what we need to do, firstly we are going to store our array in a variable. So this is the array where we have this binary number. Like, I'll just copy the same array whatever we have over here, right? So I'll just copy it and I'll just paste it over here, right? Now what we will do, we'll iterate this array one by one till the end of the array. So I'm gonna use for of loop for this purpose. And here we can just have a variable, only one variable that I'm gonna use to store the length. Okay, so length length of ones. It won't be const because I will be changing this value, right? And here we will be have the value, and this will be the array. So here we'll have the array and each value will be iterated here. So here we are not going to, as the first constraint is we are not supposed to compare this like value. So we are not going to compare it. What we'll do, we'll just type over here value, and here number of ones, here we'll have 0 at initially, and after that we will be incrementing it one by one. So as we know, 0 and 1, initially I explained you, 0 is treated as falsy value and 1 is treated as truthy value. So if the value is 1, definitely this if condition will be true and this code will be executed. So we'll have the value of what? number of ones available in this array, right? And that's all. This question is solved. Now how will we find the like number of the length of zeros available here? So that's very simple. We'll do what? We'll just find it using, I'll just tell you. Once we find the length of ones, we'll just subtract the length of ones from the length of this array. That's all. We'll get the length of what? We'll get the length of zeros available in this array. So now we just need to print the output. So I'll just print in this format. I'll just use template variable. The number of ones available here is what? I'll use template. So this will be length of ones, and what? And number of zeros available here is what? Again template, but this time we'll just subtract the length of array minus whatever values that we got from length of 1. So this will be the final output, right? So let me run this code and let me show you like this should be the exact output. So I'll just run it. So here we can see the number of ones available here is 3 and number of zeros available here is 2, right? So this is the final output that I have already mentioned over here. So in this way we can just solve it. So we just put some deep observation here, and with the help of our theoretical knowledge, like if it is truthy value, so definitely this if condition will be executed and we'll get the value. This value will be incremented and we will have the length of ones available in this array. So in this way we can easily find it. So I hope you found it very interesting. So if you found it, definitely you should like this video. So I'll bring up more interesting questions over here. So and you can also check out my channel for other videos. So okay, thank you so much. See you soon.